Hi, in this demo, we see many unique features that are high in demand, and most of the developers need them to include in their projects. That is, dynamically placing the controls on user form and associating events with each of them. Here we see dynamically placed controls are here. The buttons to filter these thumbnails, and these thumbnails are also placed dynamically and has some specific event fired on click. And similarly, the sentence here that is broken down into various labels. This is not a single label, these are various labels because you see color scheme is changed for each of them. Another thing that all these list views has been uh, associated with each of them, whatever data we has been working, these are updated on basis of this. These are hierarchically or logically linked to each other. Here we see I click the category of absolute, then it will this list view will select all the subcategories under the absolute term, and you see suggestions have also been incorporated here. So this is also on basis of the selection of tag, and you see the similar tags have been made available for quick reference. And here we see the hierarchy. When we select a value, a sub-value from the column B, that will further list the values from column C, matching with the previous uh, one, the absolute column B. And here we see the entire hierarchy, and then column C, then further categories from the column D will be populated, and similarly from column E. Here we see the entire tree on the basis of this hierarchical selection. Other things that we can set colors for each of them. Uh, Click this one absolute, it copies the same color scheme of this caption. Font is yellow and background is some light purple. If I click able and I click this one, and it has been selected this one. Yes, similarly I click advantage, then I want to change the color scheme. This color scheme has been made available for me. Okay, so we can change this to anyone as we desire. Okay, a random font color with light font color. I set color, and next time we see that color scheme for advantage has been changed, and next time the same has been launched here. So this is reading the color scheme of this one and popping up for any changes we want to make. These are other features, many features. This is navigating through the rows. Like this is simple that we are changing index each of them, and then fetching the respective value from here. You see, I can click here and directly enter some 80th record. Okay, sorry, 8 zeros, 8 and 0. 18th record from here, and that is populated, and other values on basis of this has also been updated. Here we see the 99 sentence has been marked as complete, and other things. This will reset all my text boxes here, since the list view controls has also been made empty, which is not required. Thank you very much. Hope you like this project. Please share your comments at the end of video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.